got Alyssa and Christy here joining us.
I'm honored to be here.
What happens when you touch Dwayne Johnson's butt? You get a rock bottom. Why is a toad afraid to bark?
I don't know.
I said that one wrong. Why is a frog afraid to bark?
I don't know.
He's gonna get towed away.
That was really good.
I'm sorry.
So many tears.
What kind of milk do you get from a dwarf cow?
From a dwarf cow. Skim milk. I don't know.
That's good. Isn't that good? Condensed milk.
That's good.
That was my favorite.
Skim was good.
Thank you. That was the logical one.
Because I was trying to think of the milk and I panicked.
There was a man without any shins. Do you guys know his name?
Mission Man? Shinot Man?
Tony. Tony.
Tony.
No
Yeah.
shins. Tony.
Toes and knees.
I was like, why is that funny? Because he has 2 knees. I was like,
God, I cannot.
that was good. That was good.
I went to the ear doctor the other day. He said I was deaf. It was kind of hard to hear.
I thought that was good.
Sorry, those jokes were great. I have one for you. Okay. Sorry, hold on. What did the horse say after it tripped?
I hoofed.
Help. I've fallen and I can't giddy up. They're supposed to be stupid, Christine.
They're mom jokes / dad jokes.
I'm going to do a joke for you as well. All right. What do you call an angry carrot?
A spicy carrot.
Any thoughts, Alyssa?
A cooked one. I don't know.
A steamed veggie.
I was really close. I was like, a cooked one.
Why can't you hear a pterodactyl going to the bathroom?
Pronounced it.
Oh, I didn't read the whole thing.
Read the whole thing.
Shoot.
What kind of alarm does a cow use?
What kind of alarm does a cow use? A bull ring? A bull alarm?